magical babes, Adelina here, and welcome to my unboxing video. Hey magical babes, Adelina here, and welcome to my magical adventure. Oh, there's Willie. We're at Target, of course, because we're always at Target, almost every other vlog. My camera audio went out here, but I was basically showing the time and how early me and Willie had gone to Target because it was the earliest we had ever been anywhere and left the house in a very long time. We gotta go get the console.
Don't be acting like you've never been here before.
We were in the parking lot and we already saw like 3 people with the console, and I hope we make it in time. It has to be somewhere.
I think we might have to ask.
Maybe. It's on sale.
What is it?
It's an album.
Yeah. Oh yes. I'm gonna buy one. Good for your ass.
I got it. I'm happy.
What is that movie?
Thank you. It's not a movie, it's an album.
I'm
so excited. Time for breakfast. Can you make the order? So Bill Miller's workers put our tacos in a pie box, and it looks so funny to me. Hey magical babes, Adelina here, and it's time for a magical update. I'm finally home and I finished eating breakfast with Willie, and Willie had to go to work. Today I'm gonna be unboxing not only my Animal Crossing Switch, but also my new K-pop album. I'm so excited. I'm gonna see which member I got in my photo card. Let's go ahead. Dun, 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 dun. I got stickers of all the members. I even got a poster. I wonder what it looks like. Hold on. I haven't seen the poster yet. Is it the cover? This is so cool. It's a poster of all the members. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I think I see them popping out. Who is it? Oh, I got Johnny. It's not. I got Johnny, and it has a signature on the back. And I even got Mark. I'm so happy. Ta-da! I wonder, Johnny packaged this himself. And then here we go. Here's some photos of everyone. I love it. And the stickers. And the track list. And here's the disc. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to this later on my Little Mermaid CD player. I'll listen to it later. I decided to put my new Ozone album right up there on my cloud shelf beside my friends and my BTS album and my taste. Oh, my V-Shrine. Alrighty, magical babes, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Dun 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 dun! My Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch unboxing. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this Nintendo Switch forever, and I didn't pre-order it, so I was really sad, thinking I wasn't gonna get it. But look, it's finally here. Oh golly, it's too perfect for me to open. Okay, I gotta figure out how to open this box first. I know what to do. Wow. Oh, I love the engravings on it. You could see them in the sun. Do you see the lighthouse? Oh. I love it so much. The details that went into the Switch. Oh, it's pretty. Do 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 do. Boop. Oh, I'm so happy. It's finally time to put it together. Do do do. Boop. Cute. Oh, the backside's even a different color. Oh wow. Oh, moving the Nintendo Switch to the side, just right here. I'm gonna take this off. Get rid of that. Here are the safety instructions. Always read those. And here is a little, to make it like a little controller. Ooh, this one's shinier than my Switch. Getting rid of the trash. Here is the wires to plug it into my television. And this is it. Oh, my babies are in here. Oh, there's my little Nook family. They're so cute and pastel. I love it. This whole entire Nintendo Switch is my aesthetic. And I'm just so happy to be able to get my hands on one. Oh, golly. It's so lovely. I love the cream color of it all. It reminds me of the sands on the island. I can't wait till next week and it releases. Thank you, Magical Babes, for watching my Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch console unboxing video. It was so much fun. I literally woke up at 7:30 in the morning just so me and Willie could be at Target by 8 a.m. just to get this console. It was special edition and I love Animal Crossing. It's one of my favorite games that I also grew up with as a child. So I can't wait to play New Horizons when it comes out next week on the 20th. I hope you have an enchanting day, Magical Babes, and I'll see you on my next magical adventure. Goodbye! Oh, I can't wait. It's time to go plug you in.